Hey, what's up, people? Okay, hey guys, it's your girl WhizQueen back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me slash date night with bae slash stay at home date night slash quarantine edition slash Valentine's date night slash what else again. So basically, I'm going out on a date with my boo. We're having a stay-at-home date night, pretty much. So the idea is to get like nice stuff, candles, flowers, and all those cute stuff to decorate the house. Then we're going to order food, obviously. Then have nice candles, drink alcohol, then play games, do cute cozy stuff, watch movies and all those fun stuff. Those are the plans that we have in mind for tonight. So it's Valentine's weekend, I mean, and Monday is public holiday as well, so it's family weekend. We have enough time to do fun stuff, and have a lot of fun. So I'm about to get ready because I'm always late, so I'm taking the initiative to start getting ready early enough so that I have about 2 hours to prepare and make sure I'm ready before it comes around to pick me up. So let's get ready together, let's get cozy, let's get dressed up, and let's go on a date. Let's feel cute. I mean, it's been a long time since I actually got dressed and went out. Most of the time I probably just put makeup on for YouTube and nothing else. There's nowhere to go. There's lockdown outside. There's nothing to do, literally. So I'm about to get ready and I just wanted to bring you guys along. So I got my dress from wherever it's called. I got the dress 2 days ago and I tried on my dress. Oh my gosh. This dress is supposed to be my cute date night dress. It has like this crisscross back. Very nice looking dress. Apparently, I have too much of boobs for that dress. So, I will not be able to wear that dress anymore because it's revealing like way too much. I don't even know what I'm going to do to that dress just yet. I probably will still wear it at some point, but I don't know for sure when or how I'm going to style that dress, because it's like really cute, very nice, but it's too revealing. I mean, if I was like, let's say hypothetically speaking, if I was a size B or cup A, that dress is going to look stunning. But now that I'm a size double D or almost going to F, I don't even know, so I have to think of something else to wear. I'll probably just wear any other dress. I have one very nice black dress that I think I would wear. I think that black dress would go very well with my Teddy Blake. I'm about to put you guys on a very cute, luxurious bag brand. You guys are gonna love it. Just Teddy Blake. That bag is stunning. I can't wait to unbox it and show you guys. From the picture on the website, it looks amazing. So I can't wait to show you guys. Just hold on. Let me get my makeup done, get my nails done, and get my drip, Then we're gonna go out together, have some fun. Have some fun. Did I say some fun? Anyway, so guys, let me get ready and I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? I'm not that kind of person that would ever do my makeup on video, because my makeup, most of the time, I just do one and two. It's not like very smooth like most people's makeup. I just do whatever and it comes together and end up looking nice. So I can't show you guys, but I really want to show you guys. Don't worry, you'll see what I look like after. Okay? I'm back like I never left, I changed my mind on the choice of my outfits simply because I can. And secondly, I was trying to think of the outfit that was going to go with my Teddy Blake handbag. So I got my bag here. Ta-da! Okay, let's do this. Drum roll. The box alone looks really stunning. So just so you guys know, I've not opened this box. I'm yet to see what it's inside. And I'm curious to know what it actually looks like, because I have high hopes for this bag. I have very high expectations for this bag. Teddy Blake, New York. Let's see. So I chose, let me show. Oh, how do I open this one? Why is it open? Okay, I think it's here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I don't mean to disgrace myself on camera. Ooh, I love this package. It looks really great. Oh, okay, see. Can you guys see what it looks like? Okay, has another bubble wrap. Interesting. Let's see. Comes in this cute dust bag. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we're making progress. We need to do a drum roll while I'm doing this. Let me open up. Let me close my eyes. Is it cute? You guys tell me if I open my eyes. Oh wow. Oh my god. Looks really cute actually. Like very, very nice. I love how small this is. This is my kind of purse because I always like very, very small and petite purse. The texture of this bag is actually genuine Italian leather. Like I can actually tell because I've gotten a couple of bags that they tell you it's real leather and it turns out to be PU. That's plastic. But this one, like once you feel it, you can actually tell that it's genuine leather. Let's open it up. Okay, I think you have to swipe this thing up like this. Like, looks really cute. I like the whole drama to this. Oh wow. Oh, it actually has like a strap on that you can wear like across your neck or something. Oh, I love this pose, I swear. Teddy Blake New York is actually known for high quality luxury genuine leather bags in New York. They actually come from New York, but the bags are handmade in Italy and they work with highly experienced craftsmen to produce this masterpiece. You know what Italy is known for now? Genuine quality products and luxury brand. I love that this bag is actually for a fraction of the price, considering if you want to buy like high-end brands, you're going to be spending a whole lot of money. This one is the Boss Eva Rosa Gold Micro. Like that's why it's very small in size. It's the micro size. My first impression about this bag is definitely the packaging. I love the boxes. I think it's really cute. I love how the aesthetics, the dust bag and all that, it makes it really looks very luxurious, and that's how luxurious brand even package their bags anyway. And my other impression about this bag is the texture of the quality of it. Looks like genuine leather, and I love that the design came out like really, really great. I also love the color. I love the fact that this color is the color I picked actually, because they have several different colors on their website for this particular design. I love that this color is not too pink. It's in between like baby pink and I think beige. So this one would match with any color of my outfit or anytime, any style I want to go with. And I love this strap on. This way you don't have to always keep on holding your bag like this. You can always hang your purse around your neck or on your shoulder depending on how you prefer it. What else? The only other thing that is also another impression about this bag is the 6 inches. This is 6 inches and I didn't really think, or I didn't picture 6 inches to be this small, but then I mostly use small purses anyway, so it's still perfect for my needs. So if you guys would like to get one Teddy Blake bag, or you would like to get any of the bags, they have different luxury collections on their website. I'll link it in the description box. You can always check it out. I also have a promo code as well that you can use if you want to get some discount on your own bag as well, so make sure you use the promo code when you buy yours. One of the other reasons why I chose this outfit is so that I can wear my jacket and take pictures outside because it's really cold. Okay guys, let me quickly go take my pictures before it gets too dark outside. You know it's Canada. 5 p.m. like this is already black outside. It's like midnight, so let's get ready. What plans do you guys also have for Valentine's Day? Tell me, what are you guys up to? Are you going somewhere with your friends, your boo, the love of your life, or your family? While we are waiting for the I'm here message, let's make another video in the meantime. I don't know if it's just me, but like when you just get that here text message from boo, I mean, it slaps differently. You know, that means it's about to be late, you know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to check out Teddy Blake's handbag. Check me out on my social media as well at Wiz_Queen on Instagram and on Twitter, and on Facebook WhizQueen B. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoy watching it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe below, and don't hesitate to share with your friends as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. In the meantime, stay confident. Bye.